Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace a coolant tank. You know, the expansion tank right here on Mercedes W163. That should work for V8, V6, maybe even the 4 cylinders in Europe. Okay, you can see that's the one right here. That's a common spot. They crack, they start leaking. Let me turn the light on, especially around those here. If you lose pressure, they're not gonna function good. You can overheat the engine. We purchased a few MLs with overheated engines because of that. So stay with us. We're gonna show you how to do it now. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and drain the antifreeze now, the coolant. Stay with us. We're gonna show you how to do that now and go back to removing the coolant tank. So, what we need to do now guys, you need to open the hood. We'll show you where the drain plug is now. Almost all the vehicles, it's on the passenger side. But most of them are towards the back, right here, okay? And this one is not. Don't blame us how dirty that thing is. We're gonna wash it right now before we start removing engine and things like that. We have many videos guys, so make sure you subscribe. So now right here, when you open the hood, through right here guys, okay, you can see where the pliers are. Okay, down there. Okay, that's where the drain plug is located. Super inconvenient place. Okay, let me see if I can get a good view from somewhere so you can see a little bit better. I'm sorry for the chaotic camera work, but okay, right there. So with pliers through the front hole of the bumper right there, you can reach it and turn it counterclockwise to get it loose. Once you get it loose, you need to do, I don't know how many revolutions on that thing, a little bit, and it will start draining. We'll show you. It is so inconvenient. Okay, right there, we are working on it now. You can see where the pliers are. Okay, we cut it now. We're gonna turn it a little bit more. It started draining, but we still need to turn it more after that. Okay, so it can open all the way. So we'll just grab it again with the pliers and twist it a little bit more. I don't know why they didn't do it on the back side of the radiator like most vehicles have it. Okay, you can see it's draining now. And at one point you'll be able to turn it by hand. What's important to do in the meantime, you need to open the radiator cap, because otherwise you have vacuum in the system and the coolant will not come out fast enough. We have a video guys how to bleed the system on that thing, how to refill it, how to bleed it on the channel. Check it out guys, and stay with us. We're gonna drain it now. Please subscribe. Let's grow that channel together to help more people, reach more people. Let's make it accessible for everybody. So please support by subscribing us. It means a lot to us, all the work we put into it and doing something like that. Okay, now it's draining. It's gonna take a while. You can see cap is out of the way, level is going down already. So we'll give it probably about 10 minutes and see how it goes. Okay guys, so it's about done with the draining the coolant. We closed it already. Again, you know, that's hard to reach spot right there. So we went ahead and closed it so we don't waste your time. All we have to do, just turn it, okay, clockwise this time. That's how much coolant we got out of it. We got about 10 quarts of coolant. Okay, so now we need to disconnect the hoses here with a screwdriver. Just get the clamps loose, pull them out. Don't forget to install that. When you put it together, get them tight. Okay, that's a weak spot on those Mercedes. Those coolant antifreeze tanks crack sometimes, especially around here, because people don't pull them right. They wiggle them too much, or even sometimes heat will get them. Okay, and this one is stuck really good, as you can see. So we'll show you how to remove it now. Okay, clamp is out of the way now. Okay, right there. And the hose came out as well. That's great. Now we have one on this side, two actually. One of them is just the overflow hose. That's the one, if he has too much in the system, it's going to come out of this one. There is no clamp on this one, and there is one on the bottom. Okay, that will reach. We'll try to reach here. You can even try to get it later once you remove the bolts. But probably will be easier to get it now, to be honest with you, because it attaches to, it goes inside the dash for the heater, I think. So it's doable like that, you can see. Okay, now we'll need to pull it out, and that thing will be stuck really good. Not much room, guys, to shoot a good angle here. Trying my best to get the camera where it's not even supposed to go. Okay, and we're gonna get it loose in a little bit after you remove the two nuts on top right there with a 10mm socket. And we should have one wire for the level sensor somewhere. So we'll see where exactly this one is. It should be on one side. Okay, that's the wire there for the sensor, you can see. And now we need to disconnect it right now. So you need to press on those metal things towards the inside. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, came out. And now the only thing that we have left is the hose that already got loose on the bottom. So if we just wiggle it a little bit, it should come out of there actually. Let's see. It's almost out. We just don't want to damage the holes there. Okay, and that's the, okay, you can see, guys, the overflow tank or a coolant tank reservoir for Mercedes, guys. So thank you guys for watching. That's how you remove it. You put it back together in reverse order. We'll have a video how to bleed the cooling system the right way. Stay with us, subscribe, and the video will be on our channel. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.